In this video, I'm going to show you some of the basic features of the IPEVO Visualizer app, which can be used in conjunction with your IPEVO Mirror Cam and Miniature Whiteboard to turn your Chromebook's built-in webcam into a fast and simple-to-use document camera. To get started, you'll want to first mount your Mirror Cam to your Chromebook. For more information on that process, see our video titled, Getting Started with the IPEVO Mirror Cam. Once your Mirror Cam and Whiteboard are in place, open up the IPEVO Visualizer app, which has already been installed on all staff devices. Once the app is open, you should see your whiteboard on your Chromebook screen, and you can go ahead and maximize the window for the best possible viewing experience. The first thing you may notice is that the image is actually flipped. Notice how IPEVO is spelled backwards in the bottom right corner. We'll correct this in a moment in the app's settings. In the top left corner of the app, you'll see the Select Camera icon. Here is where you can select or change which camera you want to use on your Chromebook. You can also make horizontal or vertical keystone adjustments to get the best possible viewing of your whiteboard. To reset the image, simply click Reset. The next option is the Zoom tool. Here you can zoom in on your whiteboard and also use the pane in the bottom left corner to adjust the exact location you want to maximize. This is a great tool to use if you have a lot of information on your whiteboard but only want to focus on something specific on a particular portion of the board. The next option includes the Rotate and Mirror tools. In the Rotate section, you can choose the orientation of your whiteboard, and below, in the Mirror section, you can flip the horizontal view of the board, which will correct the backward view of your image. This is especially useful when using the Mirror Cam in a Google Meet, as the image will appear normal to you, but backwards for all other participants of the Meet until you correct it using this tool. The next option is the Resolution tool, which may have limitations depending upon what device you're using. Some Chromebooks cannot operate at the highest resolution level. In the bottom center of the app, you'll find other useful tools, including a built-in annotation tool. You can use your mouse to annotate, or if you have a touchscreen Chromebook, you can annotate using a finger or stylus directly on the screen. You can turn the annotations on and off by clicking on the tool, and you can adjust the size and color of your annotations by using the tools on the right. When using the Eraser tool, you can manually erase annotations using your mouse or stylus, or remove all annotations by clicking on Clear All in the tool. You also have different options to take picture or video recordings of your whiteboard. To take a picture, simply click on the camera icon. You should see a quick flash to indicate a picture was taken. Clicking on the arrow above the camera gives you other recording abilities, including creating a recording of up to 15 minutes, and gives you the option to include audio. You can also take a time-lapse recording, which will take a picture at specific intervals that you select. To change the timing of the picture, simply click on the timer setting on the left side of the time-lapse icon. In the bottom right corner, you have more presentation options, including a freeze option, which allows you to physically annotate on your whiteboard without your audience seeing it, then reveals your annotations when you unfreeze. The next tool is a highlight and magnification tool, which allows you to draw attention to specific lines or figures on your whiteboard. Simply move the mouse to drag the highlighter around the screen and double-click or left-click to turn on the magnifier, which provides a magnification window for whatever point your mouse is currently located at. To turn off the magnification tool, simply left-click or double-click again. Clicking on the highlight and magnification tool again gives you a line focus tool, which is another great tool if you're wanting to focus only on a specific line of text or image. To turn off this tool, just click on the highlight and magnification tool again. The final tool is the grid tool. Here you can choose from a few different grid options that can be used as great charting or categorization presentations. Simply click on the tool to go through the options, which includes a horizontal and vertical split, a 3x3 grid, and a 4x4 grid. To view or manage any pictures or videos taken in the app, click on the Images icon on the left side of the app, which will take you to your stored media. Here you can select your stored images and video and choose to either download or delete the files. To get help directly from IPEVO, click on the green IPEVO icon, which will open a new Chrome tab and take you to the IPEVO website, where you can find helpful information on all IPEVO products and services and browse their help center for any specific support you may need. I hope this video has been helpful and makes the process of using the IPEVO Visualizer app with your MirrorCam much easier. If you have further questions about the IPEVO Visualizer app or any other Bartlesville tech tool, feel free to check out our website at bpsdtech.org.